As consumer spending is starting to bounce back and again start to increase, many retailers are starting to see their budgets become unfreezed and therefore are starting to again look in investing in new technology. Of course, naturally, still with the market coming back up, many retailers are cautious about making these investments and are looking to eliminate the cost while looking for new technology. What I would like to do today is share with you at least two things that will help you in lowering the cost and maximizing that investment into new technology. Actually, many retailers has been successful in this, and what they're doing is taking a different approach to the technology acquisition that they used to be. In the past, many retailers took the approach of best of breed technology, which basically means that you go out and you find the best point of sale solution, you go out and find the best merchandising solution, but they do not necessarily communicate with each other. What a lot of retailers have success with today is going out and find an end-to-end solution which both takes care of the individual areas of the retail operation, but also is communicating with each other natively, and therefore it will not be on the burden of the retailer's IT department to manage and maintain the integrity between these solutions. So what the retailers taking the end-to-end solution approach is seeing is that they can lower the investment in their IT department, meaning a lot of times fewer people in the IT department. The reason for that is that they can have fewer people managing one system with one data model instead of having the knowledge within the IT organization to manage and integrate a multitude of different solutions. What the other outcome of that is that the IT department will have a much deeper understanding of that one end-to-end solution, and therefore they can more efficiently and effectively respond to the requirements and the requests from the different departments within the retail organization. Also with the end-to-end solution, the focus on creating and maintaining integrations, or in lack of integrations, manually moving the data between the applications, again free up resources for the IT department to focus on this one solution. Another advantage of going with the end-to-end solution is that the retailer will only have to deal with one vendor, and instead of having multiple vendor relationships and also multiple support contracts and multiple maintenance contracts. Also, should issues arise with the solution, in the old days, the retailer could be bounced between vendors trying to pinpoint where is the issue. Whereas with an end-to-end solution, the retailer would have one vendor to go to for the support and for the pinpointing of the problems that may occur with the system. Like shoppers, retailers are out there to get the best for their buck and to maximize the investment. And I hope that these few pointers at least are giving some thought to what to go out and look for if you're looking to make new investments in your retail technology.